Come on, let's start the game. Helicopter escape. So tap on the start and let's do this. Hey, come on, help me, help me. Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh my god, shoot, 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 shoot. Yeah. Hey. Shoot on the top. Hey, run faster. They're gonna come and catch you. Hey. Come on. Yes. Oh my god. Hey, please help me. Yes. I did it. We did it. Yes. Come on. Let's change our weapon for him. Yay. I purchased it. Oh my god. Hey, come on. Hey. Give me your hand. Hey, help. Please, run faster. I can do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please stop. Yeah. We did it again. So the next level starts. Level 8. Here we go. Shoot. Oh my god. Here. He's gonna come. Yeah. Shoot. Oh, yes. Here he is, and he is down. Good. Fire. Double kill. It's a double kill. Faster. I get it. I get him. Yes. And they are down, killing sprays. Oh my god, I'm done. And now I can buy a gun, and here it is. Yes. Exit shop. So the guns